In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install free SSL, Let's Encrypt, on Cloudways. By the end, your site will be served securely over HTTPS with a trusted padlock in the browser, and you won't pay a cent for the certificate. Start by signing into the Cloudways platform using your own account. Once you're in, look at the top navigation and click Servers. This shows all the servers tied to your account. Choose the server that hosts the website you want to secure. If you manage multiple sites or stacks, take a moment to confirm you're picking the correct one to avoid confusion later. With the server selected, head to Applications. Here you'll see the applications running on that server. Click the specific application that corresponds to your website. This opens the application dashboard, where you'll find all of the app-level settings and tools. Scroll down to the Application Management section and select SSL Certificate. This is where you'll manage HTTPS for the site. In the SSL area, switch to the Let's Encrypt tab. Let's Encrypt is a free, widely trusted certificate authority, and Cloudways integrates it so you can issue and renew certificates automatically without manual file uploads or complex validation. Choose the single domain option. This is perfect when you're securing one primary domain. You'll be asked for two pieces of information. First, enter a valid email address you control. This is used for important notifications about your certificate, such as renewal reminders or policy updates, and it helps with recovery if you ever need to reissue. Second, enter your domain name, like example.com. Make sure the domain is spelled correctly and already points to your Cloudways server. If DNS isn't pointing to the application, validation can fail. When everything looks good, click Install Certificate. Cloudways will contact Let's Encrypt, verify domain control, and install the certificate for you. This usually completes in under a minute. During this process, your site remains accessible. Once it's done, HTTPS is active for your application, and you should be able to visit your site using HTTPS in the URL and see a secure padlock in modern browsers. From here, renewals are handled automatically before the certificate expires, which keeps your site secure with minimal maintenance. If you ever see an error during issuance, double-check the domain you entered and confirm that the DNS records resolve to this application. And remember, if you have multiple applications, repeat the same flow for each one you want to secure. That's it. Your free Let's Encrypt SSL is live on Cloudways, and your visitors can browse confidently over HTTPS.